welcome to another Math Homework Helpers Short. I am Max, and this is Mr. Teng. Mr. Teng, how are you?
I'm doing well, buddy. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. What do we have today?
So today we're going to continue working with our second grade friends on Unit 4, which is all about measuring.
Ooh, I love measuring.
But our focus today is actually going to be on adding 10 and taking 10 away.
Oh, okay.
So this skill is going to be helpful to us as we start jumping into being able to conceptualize and do some mental math with adding and subtracting. And we're going to use our hundreds grid here to help us visualize the adding and subtracting.
Okay, sounds good,
Okay, so if we start with 50 and we're going to add 10, okay? Let's go ahead and locate 50 on our hundreds grid.
Boom.
And when we add 10 or take 10 away, we're just going to go up or down our hundreds grid.
Oh, that makes sense.
Especially because we know that it's going to be every 10 moves on to the next line.
Okay, that makes sense.
And we can double check that by counting it out. So if I'm going to add 10 from 50, I can count on from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 60.
But a cool pattern that we're going to start seeing is that I can just go, again, using my hundreds grid, I can go up or down depending if I'm adding or subtracting 10.
Okay.
So we have 60 here. Okay.
Ooh.
So let's go ahead and double check again for the next one. We have 38. So let's start at 38. Let's put a triangle on it.
Nice.
Located. And now we're going to add 10. So let's go ahead and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's right below it. There it is. You're right.
And that's going to be
48.
So this is a really good skill to have, boys and girls out there, is being able to check and make sure that you can see that that pattern is going to develop as we go. So if you have a hundreds grid that's laid out like this, going 10 across, and you can go up one number or down one number to be able to locate 10 more or 10 less.
Very cool. I like this.
Go ahead and do the next one together. 19 plus 10. So if we locate 19, let's use a orange. 19, 10 more. So just like with our pattern, it should be 29, right?
There you go,
Let's
right
go
below
ahead.
it.
You want to go ahead and just count just to double check?
Sure, let's do it one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is in fact 29. So let's go ahead and trust the process here with our last addition problem before we move on to our subtraction.
All right, so 21 plus 10.
So let's circle 21, and it should be
31.
31.
Right below it. Very cool.
Because here's the cool thing about this. We're only adding 10 right now, but if we were to add 12, for example, okay?
Okay.
21 plus 12. Then I start at 21, and I know that 10 more is going to be 31.
But you have 2 more to go.
1, 2. So that would be 33.
That's so cool. I love this.
So this is really helping us build a foundation of understanding especially when we're adding 10 or, as we're going to see, subtracting 10.
Gotcha. Speaking of subtraction.
All right, what's the first problem, Max?
We have 75 minus 10.
75 minus 10. What color do you want to use?
Oh, let's go with red.
All right, so 75, right here. Oh, that's not red. It's okay, we'll use orange one more time.
That's all good. Nothing wrong with orange.
75, and if we were to add 10, we'd go down, right, to 85.
Right.
But we're taking 10 away, so it has to be less.
So we got to go up.
So that would be
65.
All right, so I hope you're seeing this pattern.
Can we double check that, though, just for friends at home to make sure?
Yeah, let's do that. So 75, we take away 10 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, there it is. It worked. It checks out. It's right.
It does check out. And if you're subtracting, you should have less than what you started with, right?
Sure, yes,
so,
yes.
I mean, we were so used to counting up that you don't want to make a mistake and you start counting upwards and you get to 85.
Yes, right, gotcha.
All right, now do you trust us?
I trust it.
All right, so let's go ahead and finish these out so we can go play.
Woo, I like that idea.
55 minus 10. So let's locate 55 on our hundreds grid.
Kind of near the middle.
55 right here. And we have
Minus 10.
minus 10.
So it'd be 45.
45.
Yeah.
All right, and let's finish strong here. 47 minus 10. So I like to clear off my 100 chart so I don't get confused at all.
Well, that's a good idea. It's always important to stay neat.
So we have 47 here. And we're subtracting 10 from that. So we're going to go up. And there we have
37.
And the last one. And then we can go for
Oh, 14 minus 10.
14.
That's towards the top of the grid here.
Yeah,
14.
so we have 14 here. And if we take away 10,
We're at 4.
we're at 4.
Cool.
And before we go, I want you to notice something here.
Okay.
So if we have 14 and we take away 10, what happened to that 1 in the 10th place?
It disappeared.
Disappeared. If we were to add 10 and go down 1 more, what happened to that 1?
It becomes 2.
And if we add 10 more,
3.
and 10 more,
4.
and 10 more?
5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Woo!
Whoa.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. So there's a lot of cool patterns that we can notice when we're doing this kind of math.
This is so cool. I'm so excited my arm got bent. Ah, okay, I'm better now.
All right, well, let's go take care of that.
All right, yes. In the meantime, everybody at home, we hope you enjoyed this episode. And please tune in again next time for our next Math Homework Helper Short. Until then, have fun with your math homework, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Math homework helpers is fun time. Math homework helpers, oh yeah.